National Nutrition Week, 1st September to 7th September. National Nutrition Week is celebrated each year from 1st September to 7th September. National Nutrition Week is conducted to increase the awareness of proper nutrients and diets needed to be consumed by the human body. It emphasizes the importance and role of the right nutrition for the human body. National Nutrition Week is an annual nutrition event organized by the Food and Nutrition Board by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. History of National Nutrition Week. National Nutrition Week was instigated in March 1973 by the members of the American Dietetic Association, now the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, to enhance the awareness among people about the importance and need for nutrition education. Back in those days, National Nutrition Week was not popularly adopted by the population, neither was given importance to such movement. But with the upcoming years, we saw changes, and according to a survey, it has concluded that in 1980 the public showed great response towards it, which resulted in its rise among countries globally. Finally, in 1982, the central government of India decided to establish this movement and consider it a week-long celebration of National Nutrition Week. Importance of National Nutrition Week. In a country like India, people are least bothered about the malnutrition and the improper diet causing harm to their basic lives. To encourage such citizens, the National Nutrition Week is organized for an entire week. After its establishment, people below the poverty line are getting basic food grains to satisfy their belly. Various NGOs opened in partnership to help boost the movement. The aim of National Nutrition Week is to process the intake of food for growth, metabolism and repair. Our body needs two types of nutrients, that is, macronutrients and micronutrients. The campaign is apprehensive and provides us with the knowledge of proper diet. Planning on our diet was never our concern, but the initiative of establishing this campaign has boosted the crowd to take steps against the ill diet and maintain the state of their diet chart towards a balanced way of life. Importance of good nutrients are: they provide us with energy to manage our lifestyle, maintains our healthy body, maintains the immune system, delays the effect of aging, reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Healthy diet increases lifespan. Ways to observe National Nutrition Week. We all could come together on this day, and according to our potential, we could donate a few food grains or crops to people in need nearby us. Individuals connected with NGOs can merely take this activity to a certain level. We can do ourselves a favor and replace our unhealthy food stock with veggies, fruits and nutritious snacks, which is easily available in any market. To celebrate this day in a unique style, what we can do is take an oath with our family and friends to adopt a healthy living way, post pictures with hashtags to encourage the population out there. Facts about National Nutrition Week. Every year, the Food and Nutrition Board handpicks a theme for the National Nutrition Week through its 43 community food and nutrition extension units located in all the 4 regions of the country. The percentage of children 6 to 59 months who are anemic has come down from 69.4% to 58.6%. On March 8, 2018, PM Narendra Modi launched Poshan Abhiyan from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan with a vision to make India malnutrition free by 2022. According to a study, it is presumed that only 21 days are enough to change your unhealthy habits and to transform from you to you better version.